Hi, good morning. Today it's it's April 12, 2023, and the time is 8:47 in the morning. Yes, I'm going here in Maple Grove, Cavite. So I think less than a minute we are already there. So Maple Grove is on the left side if you are coming from Metro Manila or like South area, Laguna or Alabang, and if you are coming from Tanza, Naik, from Dasmariñas, from Tagaytay, if you are crossing the Governor's Drive, that's the Maple Grove will be on the right side. Yeah. So right now we are entering Maple Grove. So we have a left turn here, and it's very wide, of course. Yeah, kita ba yung signage? It's the Maple Grove. Yes, we are now entering the Maple Grove. We have here the biggest McDonald's in Cavite, where you can dine with your friends and family with a very spacious outdoor space. We also have here a very nice community. As you can see, we have a food market, we have bazaar, and also at night we have a live band. And that's our showroom here in Maple Grove. Our first ever newly turned over open space here in Maple Grove Commercial District. As you can see, you have a very spacious area where you can walk, jog with your family and friends. And this is our newly turned over condo, the Verdin. So imagine having a lifetime view here in the Verdin. It's like you're just in a first world country. Right now we are here inside the Maple Grove Commercial District. Yes, we still have available commercial lots from 408 square meters up to 850 square meters. And also, you can combine adjacent lots for bigger expansion of your business and also for a land banking investment. Latest pre-selling condominium here in Maple Grove, the Cassia Residences. It will be ready on January 31, 2025. So just imagine what is Makati BGC looks like before. It was also like this. So do not wait for the time comes that we have a lot of establishment here and you are still not yet investing. And that's our advantage, no? To as early as possible we could position ourselves into investment na agad, like residential lots, commercial or condo in Maple Grove, kasi the prices are going up really quick. Yes, really quick, because you know we are now in post-pandemic. So actually it's not pandemic na talaga. It's going back to normal. Businesses are all open. We don't have this limitation for eating in a restaurant, or also for shopping malls, and also for the senior citizens. They are all allowed to go out now. So again, the demand for services, the demand for products, it's all law of demand and supply. So the people are now into investment again, so unahan sila, and tendency the price will go up quickly due to the supply, law of demand of supply. So again, yesterday was the best time to invest. Yes, that's true. However, you know what, the second best time is today. That's your second best time. And investment is always a risk. Invest at your own risk, of course. So again, my name is Kenneth Leonardo. I'm from Megaworld. I hope to see you soon, and I will help you to find the best investment for you. Thank you.